ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Uba Vincent H. Pala ubala Shimti Pura como President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hagakat pratarik ubnai nailor arajar arpuai ula penpau ba yamenta unhab ban Kham Pynleit Jingmut nakabenta ka jing Pynleit ka seng Congress hapo ka ka jilla Meghalaya but Kham Pundunaru ban leit kha Delhi Uba Pala ubalong ru MP Jong ka seng Congress na Shillong Lok Sabha constituency hakajing yakren bat kilat pathai khubor ula ongru bawat la menta ula Shimti komundong elam bapura Jong ka Congress Meghalaya henrei un sabati ya kapor khanang bakanam kta ya kajing trekam Jong ka party hagani ka jilla Meghalaya lani wat Delhi.
My main job ahead is how to unite the party, number one, and number two, how to do a big enrollment in the party so that every nook and corner of the village of the state will know about the Congress. So that is a big task ahead of us. And we need to train our people. We need to, give them the sentiments. We need to tell them that we have hopes. The people of Meghalaya have hopes in the Congress. And I think only if we work together, then people will also trust us. First, we have to trust amongst ourselves, unite amongst ourselves, then only people will trust us. That is my main target, and I'm sure, I'm confident with the blessing of God and with all of you, with your blessings, I can do that. That is the main task ahead. Definitely, I have to have a priority. Normally, my state is my priority. And as an opposition, I don't have much work in Delhi also. I may miss a few meetings or less important meetings, I may miss a few meetings, but I will concentrate in the state more than in Delhi. So I have to know my priority and work out in such a way, my Delhi work will not be hampered and my state work will not be hampered. But I'm confident, you see, we work as a team, I'm not alone. We have the district level, the block level and the polling stations level and the team in the party and executive committee, different committees. I think that should not be a problem. I have to only work harder than usual. I think that should not be a problem. I think, see, NPP is in the ruling as of now. There is no doubt that if you look at the MLAs, MPP is more than the Congress. But if you look at the percentage of people voted, Congress is almost double than NPP. And to say that NPP mighty, I don't agree with it. NPP may have more MLAs at that time, but the Congress has more voters. So it doesn't depend on your MLAs alone, it depends on the voters. So I think this time we'll multiply more our voters. Last time we got almost 35%, NPP got only 17.6%, UDP got 17.6%. Combine both of them, Congress will still have more than them. So I don't think that there's much challenge, we'll definitely manage it. NPP also, I criticize Conrad Sangma also many a times, UDP many a times. Why I criticize UDP? Because definitely I concentrate on my constituency. Today I've been appointed as a president. Now I'll concentrate entire state. But normally I concentrate in my constituency because I know more about my constituency. I travel length and breadth of my constituency. I've seen the problem of people in my constituency. I've seen the harassment to the people of my constituency. That's why. And most of the works are in home ministry, most of the works are in weighbridge, most of the works in related to alcohol, to drugs and everything. And all these departments are held by the UDP. That's why I don't criticize UDP alone, I criticize the bad works they have done. So it is not that I'm against UDP and pro-NPP, that is wrong. I'm against all the bad mismanagement or misgovernance. In the next government, even whatever you say, we are targeting the 2023, next government will be secure absolute majority. We'll see when we cross the bridge. You see, a chief minister post is one post. A chief minister is one post. We have very competent people competent MLAs among us. I think it is wrong to project myself because there are many other people as good as me or better than me. So I don't think that it is right. Normally a Congress, we don't project the chief minister in advance. We will see when we cross the bridge. Then only we'll see, then only we'll select. There'll be a CLP who will elect the leader. So we'll follow that process, we'll not break that process. So there's no doubt about that. The Congress has a system and will follow the system. And a man like him will take a call. Who should be the leader? The regional approach, we have not worked it out because the momentum for election is not yet there. Maybe that will take when we discuss with all our seniors, experienced people and the high command. So the regional approach will be definitely there.
To begin with, I would like to say one thing only, that we will miss Mr. Pala in Delhi. I will ensure that he is in Meghalaya only. He won't be in Delhi any longer. There are no differences. You need to understand one thing. Dr. Mukul is the CLP of our party. He is almost as tall a leader as anybody else in the entire northeastern state. So there is nothing against that. So Balaji and Mukulji, both are our leaders. They'll be working together in the interest of the party and the interest of the state.